Want consistent profits but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll share a simple and powerful trading strategy using just 2 free indicators on TradingView. No need for complex setups. This strategy is designed for traders at all levels. We'll show you how to use this strategy for 5-minute Forex scalping, but you can apply it to gold, XAUSD, crypto, stocks, and more. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future strategies. Let's get started. Open TradingView and go to the Search Indicators tab. Type Historical Volatility Percentile SMA. Select the indicator by the creator. Configure the settings. Open the Style tab. Change the display to a histogram for better readability. Click OK to save changes. How it works: green histogram plus green candlestick equals bullish confirmation. Red histogram plus red candlestick equals bearish confirmation. Black histogram plus black candlestick equals no trade signal. For stronger confirmations, ensure the volatility bar closes above the SMA line. Go to the Search Indicators tab. Type Alpat Trend Screener. Select the indicator by Kavanaugh's Bilgic. Configure the settings. Input tab. Set the length to 25. Uncheck the Show Label box. Style tab. Change Buy tab color to green. Change Sell tab color to red. Click OK to save changes. This indicator provides straightforward buy and sell signals. Green buy signal equals enter a buy position. Red sell signal equals enter a sell position. Buy order setup. Look for a buy signal on the Alpat Trend Screener indicator. Confirm the signal with the Historical Volatility Percentile indicator. Green histogram. Ensure the bar closes above the SMA line. Once confirmed, place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. At the most recent low, take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. Sell order setup. Look for a sell signal on the Alpat Trend Screener indicator. Confirm the signal with the Historical Volatility Percentile indicator. Red histogram. Ensure the bar closes above the SMA line. Once confirmed, place a sell order after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. At the most recent high, take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. This strategy is simple, effective, and versatile for multiple markets. Remember to stick to your risk management rules. Stay disciplined with your trading psychology. If you enjoyed this strategy, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more trading insights. See you in the next video.